How can we turn that image up there into this beautiful 3D model with just 3 clicks and for free? To do this, first we need to go to Google and download the image we want. Here, I've downloaded this beautiful BMW image, and I'm going to use it to create my 3D model. After the download is complete, I go into the AI platform. Here I click on the upload button. Once I've uploaded the image, I can specify in this section whether I want the texture to have material or not, and then in this part, I can set its quality. Here, I select the AI version, and finally I click the generate button so that the 3D model is created for me. After about 5 minutes, you'll have a beautiful 3D model like this. The model you see here is fully detailed. You can rotate it all the way around and view every part of it. And you can even download it in various formats from this section below. Formats like OBJ, STL, or FBX, you can just click on download and get it completely for free. After downloading, you can even view it in 3D software. As you can see, I've opened it in 3D Max, and I can completely rotate around it, select any part I need, and apply my desired changes. You can even assign your preferred materials to different parts of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to access new tutorials as soon as they're published. See you in the coming days with more tutorials.